How to fix Discord EPA. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then you have to go directly to apps or applications. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search now just for Discord. And when you found it, just open it like this, then go directly to storage option. Click on clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last things is going to Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribing in our channel. See you in another videos.